Hi, my name is Saloni and I'm working as a product manager with Paytm. Today I'm going to give you a demo of a new analytics feature that we have recently launched. As you can see that this is the analytics section of the dashboard. If you scroll down, this section here shows the customer analytics view. So in order to deep dive, you have to click on view details. So the 9 lakh 50,000 number that you are seeing here are the unique customers that have transacted during a period of 14 days. So duration is something that you can select from this drop down if you click here. Here we are supporting last 7 days, last 14 days, and last 28 days duration. Moving on, to get a detailed view of the customer analytics section, you have to click on view detail. So the view detail section here uh, lands on this first screen. So this first screen will show you your new, repeat, and churn customers. So the views that we support for new, repeat, and churn are day on day, month on month, and week on week. So here you can see this is last 30 days view, and this is a daily view that is supported here in the graph. And if you hover on one of the bar graphs, you can see your daily new, repeat, and churn customers. You can play around with your duration by clicking on this drop down, and you can select multiple options in the weekly and monthly views as well. Three important metrics that we are providing along with this are average revenue per customer, orders per customer, and customer growth rate. If we scroll down, we are also providing a payment source level segmentation. So here you can understand from which payment method your customers are transacting. For this particular example, as we can see, around 58% customers of this merchant are transacting via Paytm wallet, 48% via UPI, and so on. Uh, you can also further drill down if you want to see that how many of your customers who are transacting via net banking, which all banks they are using. You just have to click here on the net banking graph. So the second graph will get populated accordingly. And here you'll see a view of the banks which your customers are using to transact via net banking. In this case, it is 96% Paytm Payments Bank is being used by customers who are using net banking for transactions. Similarly, if you want to use it for, if you want to check for debit card, either you can click here and select it, or you can select it via the buttons mentioned above. So just giving an example, I deselect net banking, then I select debit card, and then I get a view of the banks which the people are using for transacting via debit card. Moving on would be the RFM analytics. In RFM analytics, we are dividing your customers into 11 different segments, and these segments are decided based on three parameters, which is recency of transactions, frequency with which the customer is transacting in that particular period, and the third is the amount for which the customer is transacting. Here, this is calculated on a 12-month data, and you have these are our different segments. For example, champions are customers who have bought recently, order often, and spend the most. You can also see the definitions when you hover on each of these segments. If you scroll down, you can even see recommendations specific to each segment. For example, for potential customers, one can offer memberships, loyalty programs to keep them engaged. And for at-risk customers, one can provide helpful resources on the site, send personalized emailers, and so on. Moving on to the next part of analytics segmentation, that is cohort analysis. In cohort analysis, we are seeing the retention of our acquired customers. The views again that we are support are same, which are daily, monthly, and weekly level views. Here, if you can see in this table, so 36% of the customers who were acquired in May have also been retained in June. That is month one for the second row. Have 35% have been retained in July, and around 19% have been retained in August, and so on. So this is a cohort level analysis that we provide. Having said that, one of our features, which is a very interesting feature and is in pipeline, is the download feature. So you will be able to download the cust IDs of your new repeat churn customers along with cust IDs of each segment, which comes under the RFM segmentation. So this is a demo for customer analytics. Thank you.
पेटीएम करो।